Good morning guys, and welcome back to another Cosmo line. Today we're at Takapuna beach and we're going to find some snapper, hopefully, using the Glowbite gear. See when I'm hooked up. Beautiful morning out at Takapuna. Conditions today are flat, not much wind at the moment. Hoping it stays that way. I'm paddling over to Milford Beach, hoping to find some snapper. Hooked up on the Glowbite Mighty Micros. Hooked up again. On the Mighty Micros on Glowbite.
Mighty Micro?
Yeah.
That's a trailer.
Can't tell what it is yet.
Oh, it's a snapper. It's fighting weird, no? What like that trap? It's fighting weird.
It's a snapper. Right guys, I'm heading back into the beach now. Fishing's been a bit slow lately. I'll see you back at the boat ramp. Right guys, I'm back at the boat ramp. It was a lovely morning out on the water, catching fish on the Glowbite Mighty Micros. I'll catch you on the next episode.